to add folder in Taskbar on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can add a folder to the Taskbar in Windows 11. Windows 11 doesn't support pinning folders directly to the taskbar. You will need to first create the shortcut of that folder. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your File Explorer application on your device and locate the folder you would like to pin. Once you find it, right-click on the folder and then a menu will appear. From this menu, you will need to click on Show More Options. At the very bottom, again a new menu will appear. Now from here, select Send to option and then at the side you'll be able to see a new menu again. Click on Desktop Create Shortcut in order to create a shortcut on your desktop. Now close this window by clicking on the cross icon at the top right corner. By doing so in the desktop, now you'll be able to locate the shortcut of the folder that you have created. Locate the folder and then right click on it. You will be able to see this menu. Here select the Properties option. Now in this Properties window, you will be able to see this target field. Here you will need to add explorer.exe before the folder path. Simply click on it and enter explorer.exe followed by space before the folder path. Now once after doing this, click on this OK button at the very bottom to save it. Once after doing that, again right click on the shortcut and in this menu select Show More Options. Now in this new menu, you will be able to locate Pin to Taskbar option. Simply click on it and then you'll be able to see the folder in the taskbar. Now the folder shortcut has been appear on your taskbar for quick access. So this is how you can add folders in taskbar on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.